Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add or find more friends in Township, so let's get right into it. Township is a mobile/PC game, and it is also an online game in which you pretty much build your own farm or your township, build your town, add new structures, expand your town, get more people to live in it, and so on and so forth. It is a very good relaxing game which you can play during your time off, or if you just don't want to think about anything. If you have any time to spend and you need to spend that time somehow, this is a very good way to do it. It is very similar to other games such as Farmville, which is a Facebook game from way back when I was a little boy, and Farmville 2 as well, which is the sequel to Farmville. I think that is the game that it's most similar to. However, as I've said, it is a online game, and as with all the games I've mentioned, you can also add friends which you can play with. Now, to add friends, what you want to do is make sure that your mobile connection is secure and that it is active and it is working as it should. And once you do, go into the game, and once you're there, select the friends icon at the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Once you're there, you can click invite friends, and this way you can do the following. You can get your own invitation code, which you can then send to your friends via Facebook, email, or however you would like. Messaging apps, anything goes. Or you can also enter an invitation code that somebody already sent you and add that person as your friend. You can also select the Find Friends tab, where you can invite random strangers to be your friends in Township, and you can also add players on Facebook if you're connected to a Facebook account, and you will see them as your in-game friends. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.